Today during episode 410 of Look What Jess Found. This was one of very, very good penny roll. As you can see, I had to do some cleaning with a wet polishing cloth because there were so many anomalies behind the dirt. I had to clean them. On this one here, I'm gonna say a dye chip. A dye chip in a blister? I don't know. I really don't know. Interesting. Really cool looking dye chip. And believe it or not, this is a type of weird stuff people like. You know, on the magnification, I bet you that looks beautiful, like a little sunburst. I'm gonna put this one in a flip. Someone will buy this. Please click like and subscribe. Now, today during episode 410, we found our only San Francisco penny, and finding San Francisco's is maybe 1 out of 10 rolls. I find a San Francisco and S copper penny, and this one here is the 1973. And now I know people get their, get all hot and bothered over what is considered low mintage, but 300 million is low compared to 2 billion. It's all relative. Obviously, compared to 2 million, it's 100 times more, or 100 and something times more. But the 1973, as you can see, S has 317 million. Now, just for comparison, if we go to the 68, which is right over here, and you go to the S, not much different, right? 258 million, but that's the lowest minted non-proof memorial coin at 258. 258, you're talking about just a few million more. So it's pretty close. As you can see, some of the other ones, right? The 72 jumps up by 50, 60 million. So nice condition, fine condition, extra fine maybe. Please click like and subscribe. Today during episode 410 of Look What Jess Found. Look how the tone on the obverse is so much different than the reverse. It has that kind of sandblasted look. I just realized that I pressed pause instead of play on my last video, and anyway, so now I'm doing another short on this. Episode 410, we found this penny. It's copper. The reverse looks very copperish, and the obverse looks kind of reddish with a very sandblasted kind of look. Please click like and subscribe.